Hey guys, today we're going to be activating Windows 11 over the phone. Yes, it is possible, the newest Windows 11 22H2. It's actually a lot simpler than you may think it is, because that's what happened to me. Pretty simple. We've got to install Windows 11 on a computer with an OEM key. Anyways, what we've got to do is, we've got to make sure not to connect it to the internet. Because if you connect to the internet, it will automatically activate online, which is what we don't want. As long as we keep it offline, we get the option to activate by phone. Alright, I'm going to skip to where it's installed. Alright, it's installed. So if we search for activation settings and click on that, then we click on activation state. We then get the option to activate by phone. So let's click activate by phone. It tells us to select our region. Then we get the installation ID and the phone number. So let's get started. Just like Windows 10, you have to trick it in order to get it working properly. If you follow its instructions, it will not work properly. In case you haven't seen my Windows 10 video, let me show you what happens.
If you're trying to activate Windows 10 or Windows 11, press 1. Otherwise, press 2. If you have previously upgraded to Windows 10 or 11, press 1. Otherwise, press 2.
I didn't get that. Let's try once more. If you have a product key to activate, press 1. Otherwise, press 2. Alright, here's how you can use your product key. First, click on the Windows Start button. Next, click on Settings. Then, click on Update and Security. Next, click on the Activation tab. Then select Change Product Key and finally, type in your 25-character product key. To hear that again, press 1. To continue, press 2. If this is resolving your issue, press 1. Otherwise, press 2.
There is a virtual assistant available on your Windows 10 or 11 device to troubleshoot and activate your product. Click the Start button. In the list of apps, look for Get Help and click on it to get started. Press 1 if you would like to continue with phone system activation.
Please hold while I transfer you to a Microsoft representative.
If you have previously upgraded...
What we have to do on this question is press 1 instead of 2, even though we did not previously upgrade to Windows 11. We have to press 1, otherwise it will not work. I just thought that'd be funny to mention, and Microsoft really should fix this. Anyways, here is the full activation process. Enjoy.
Welcome to the Microsoft Product Activation Center.
To help us improve the quality of our products, services, and training, this call may be recorded or monitored, and information collected on this call may be accessed by Microsoft affiliates, subsidiaries, and service providers internationally. To consent to recording or monitoring of this call, press 1. Or, to continue without recording or monitoring, press 2. Thank you. This call will not be recorded or monitored.
For security purposes, please enter the following number on your phone's touchtone pad. 856. Thank you. Welcome to Microsoft Product Activation. To activate Windows, press 1.
There is a virtual assistant available on your Windows 10 or 11 device to troubleshoot and activate your product. Click the Start button. In the list of apps, look for Get Help and click on it to get started. Press 1 if you would like to continue with phone system activation. If you're trying to activate Windows 10 or Windows 11, press 1. Otherwise, press 2. If you have previously upgraded to Windows 10 or 11, press 1. Otherwise, press 2.
Now, when you try to activate, if you got an error code and you have that error code handy, press 1. Otherwise, press 2. If you are at your computer with the activation screen open, press 1. Otherwise, press 2. To make it easier to activate your product, you can use your internet-enabled mobile phone instead of our audio self-help system. To get started, I'll need to send a text message to your mobile phone. Text and mobile data rates with your local carrier may apply.
If you'd like us to send a text message to your smartphone, press 1, otherwise press 2.
Let's continue with the audio self-help system. Okay, now take a look at your screen. I'll ask you to tell me the installation ID. The installation ID is a long number broken into several groups. I'll ask you for one group at a time. Please enter the digits in group 1. Great. Now enter the digits in group 2. Next, enter the digits in group 3. Okay. Now enter the digits in group 4. All right. Next, enter the digits in group 5. Okay, now enter group 6. All right, next enter the digits in group 7. Okay, now enter group 8. All right, and finally enter the last group. Got it. Thanks. One moment please while I look that up. Verified. Click the confirmation ID button on your screen to advance. Now, I will read the confirmation ID. You will need to use your keyboard to enter it in the empty blocks you see. As I read each 6-digit group, I'll say which block it goes in. Now use your mouse and position your cursor in block A. Once I've read the entire confirmation ID back, you'll have the chance to hear it again. If you're ready to get started, press 1. Or block A is 2, 0, 4, 0, 2, 1. Block B is 4, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5. Block C is 7, 3, 1, 8, 9, 4. Block D is 9, 1, 4, 3, 4, 4. Block E is 4, 9, 1, 3, 2, 3. Block F is 4, 8, 7, 6, 7, 4. Block G is 4, 1, 7, 5, 2, 4. Block H is 8, 5, 9, 8, 3, 4. To repeat that final block, press 1. If you're finished, press 2. All right, now please take a moment to write down that confirmation ID, because you can reuse it in the future if you ever need it. Go ahead. If you need more time, press star. Otherwise, whenever you're ready, click on the Activate button. If there's an error message on your screen, press 1. If not, press 2. Great! Your product has been successfully activated. Thank you for calling Microsoft. Goodbye.
And that is the activation process of Windows 11 over the phone. Very interesting, just like Windows 10. Thank you for watching this series, and I hope you enjoyed all the videos. I wonder if Windows 12 will still leave this activation method intact. I guess we'll find out when Windows 12 comes out. Anyways, thank you for watching, and goodbye.